Well, hi everyone. My name is Deborah, and I'm going to show you how to use POWTOON. They have a lot of free templates on here that you can utilize for school, work, anything like that. You can basically do lots of things, little animations. They have whiteboard video. You can make a presentation, marketing video, a branded character. They also have the new screen and cam recording, infographics, and video from POWTOON. So here you can see the different templates: education, SMB, entrepreneur, personal. They have a variety of things you can choose from. So from here, you'll be able to, I'm going to do one just to show you here on company objectives. And of course, they have the pro that you would have to, pay for those, but they have plenty that are free. And this is one that I'm choosing for my team. Okay, and you will click on edit in studio, and this is where you'll be able to change and edit what you want in there. Okay, so it takes a little while to load, but it's coming. So this is for, I'm going to create this little video real quick for my team, for my temporary employees, kind of like the roles of leadership and what, we expect our team to work. So I'm going to start editing here. Takes a little bit of while, but it'll get there. So I'm going to title it Teamwork. And I'm going to do roles of leadership. And if there's something that you don't want, you can just definitely take it out. You can insert logos, any little thing that you want, you can add on here. And you can go to each different slide and edit them as you go. I'm going to change this one because mine are going to be 6. My first one is going to be expect. Mine are going to be the roles of leadership for my team. And it's not what we teach, it's what we tolerate, which are the 6 E's. Expect everyone to execute everything, every time, every day. And that's what we want my team to be, that we expect everybody to pull their weight, to do what they're supposed to do, and, kind of give them some motivation, that these are the expectations that we expect from each and every one, from like the director to admin staff to managers, supervisors, anybody. So, so everybody can see that we're all working together. And see, you'll get to add a lot of things on here, and it's really good. And then you can save it, you can play it. And that's it. Thank you.